Hello everyone, I am BH Sneha of 8th A. We are here to explain the topic about science behind how the water strider walks on the water. Water strider walks on the surface of the water easily. How it happens and what is the science behind it? It is because of the surface tension of water.
Hi guys, I am Nancy Mandarin from 8th A. I am here to explain what is surface tension with some example. If you drop a water on a coin, it cannot seep outside. It shows water on a bubbles on the coin because the water molecules are pulled each other and bind the surface tension. Next example, if you put inside the water of leaf, leaf is float because it is weightless object. But if you put the stone in the water, the stone was broken the chain of water molecules. Likewise, water strider is a weightless insect and it is important to see its leg structure.
Hi guys, I am Emma Akas of 8th Standard B section. I am going to talk about the water strider. This is the leg structure of water strider. The water molecules are pulled inwards and the surface of the water looks like a stringy or stretched water membrane. This balances the weight of the water bulk and enables it to walk on the water easily. We call this phenomenon as a surface tension. This is the reason thus the water strider walks on water. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you guys.